amazing yacht experience for my birthday celebration during the COVID times. Didn't bother about the restrictions since we only brought the 2 kids and us, and we had a lovely cozy intimate time docked at the island for a good kayaking and swimming experience. Everything was safe and very thoughtfully done by the 2 men who drove and prepared everything on board. What a memorable time we had. We had such an amazing time on board. It was raining slightly and waves were super choppy. Despite the weather, Captains Ronnie/Roniel made us feel safe and they brought us to safer areas to anchor, when the waters were too dangerous. The floats and paddles provided were lots of fun too. Fuss-free booking and confirmation. Received a text from the captain to confirm meeting time and place. Sailed out and docked at Lazarus Island for a full afternoon of fun. Sunrise was big enough for 10 of us, had 2 bathrooms/toilets, karaoke, microwave and Nespresso machine on deck. But we were too busy taking in the sights and playing in the sea on the giant 10-people float, floating mat, kayak and stand-up paddle board. Captain and skipper were friendly and super helpful too. The afternoon was over too fast. Seriously considering going again. When you first booked through Klook, White Sails will email you directly. The email has all the details and a form which you have to fill up and bring it on your yacht day. The crew was fabulous. Met them outside cold storage 15 minutes earlier. You can buy ice from the 7-Eleven which is right next to cold storage. They have a cooler and microwave on board. The yacht was just nice for 4 of us. The crew helped us take really nice pictures. They provided us with a floating pad, kayaks and life jackets. Overall, a great once-in-a-lifetime experience. Great boat and crew. The yacht was spacious with various spots to sit and chill around. Also comes with cooler, charging point, and speaker as well. The crew was so nice when he offered to help cut my lemons for our drinks. They also provided kayak and floats as entertainment. It was a fun day on the sea. Smooth boarding process. Yacht size was just right for 9-10 packs, water activities were fun. Ended off the trip with a view of Singapore skyline, plus additional bonus of catching the Independence fireworks. A nice experience on a private yacht. There are floats and standing up paddles to be used as stated but only had 1 instead of 2 standing up paddles on that day, don't know why not providing the other one on the yacht. Need to go into the yacht barefooted and they will keep your slippers in a box. The crew is punctual and will sell you safely to and fro but would be better if the crew is more engaging though. Amazing. Had a blast with my friends. The floaties/kayaks provided were fun. The yacht was big and spacious. Comfortably accommodated 11 of us. Would recommend.